Hi, I'm Jun, and welcome to Sunway Resort Suite Property Spotlight. Located in the heart of Bandar Sunway, Resort Suite is a 457 square feet, one-bedroom studio service residence with a king-size bed, sofa bed, one bathroom, and a kitchenette. Developed by the Sunway Group, this property is conveniently located with direct access to Sunway Pyramid Shopping Mall and Sunway Lagoon Water Park, offering a thriving commercial and recreational scene. This makes it a perfect choice for either business or vacation travelers looking for short stays. What's great about this property is that it offers a host of facilities and services, including housekeeping, a fitness center, self-service laundry, and a 24-hour concierge and security service. Transportation is also great, with only a 5-minute walk to Sunway BRT station and a 10-minute bus ride to USJ 7 LRT station, providing easy access to KL Sentral and KL City Centre. With a total acquisition cost of 628,380 ringgit, our plan for the property is to create a visually appealing studio for guests with modern furnishings and attractive amenities, ensuring we stay competitive for maximum income generation opportunities. The minimum investment for this property starts at 500 ringgit, and in terms of returns, the property has an average yield of 251 ringgit per night, with a projected revenue ranging between 7 to 10% with yearly capital appreciation. Overall, Sunway Resort Suite presents a great investment opportunity with high income potential, and we're excited to offer this property as part of our short stay rentals. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.